Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They are usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand which is a subsidiary or a branch of brand Afnan, the house of Afnan from Middle East, from UAE, and this is Rue Broca. What it means I don't know. It sounds a bit funny, it sounds a bit strange, but what it is what it is. And this is Rue Broca pour homme, and this is Rue Broca Pride, and this is Intense. So I unboxed and reviewed the Rue Broca Pride a few weeks back, and it was so good I had to get the Intense. So this is the Intense version of that. So this one is I think is aimed at men, although it does not mentioning pour homme anywhere, but I think it's aimed at men, and it's Eau de Parfum 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £20. If you go to Notino right now they have it in stock, and it's one of those fragrances that is not easy to find. You can find it from time to time, but it's not always available. So if you are looking for it, or you've been searching for it, this time it's a good time to go and get it before it runs out on Notino. So without further ado, let's do this unboxing and first impression. But before I do that, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. I'll be very, very grateful. Thank you very much, and let's go. So as you can see, it's a very simple box. It does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Sorry about the noise. So it's like a grey or light green color to the box. Attention to detail is quite nice, and the bottle is identical to the last one, but this one obviously is different coloring. Come on, brother, don't tell me. Okay. So yes, as you can see, exactly identical. That one was much darker. This is a little bit lighter in color. It's like a dark gray. The cap is very heavy, and the atomizer, here we go. Very, very good atomizer. So Rue Broca, so far they impressed me very much because they make very good perfumes, very good quality, and also presentation is very good, and they smell usually very good, and it's under £20. That is a very, very good value for money. Okay, so here we go. First sniff, first impression. Ooh, sweet. So the first thing that hits me is the sweetness. It's very, very sweet. Aromatic, floral, spicy. Wow, this is good. This is very good. In terms of smell profile, it is similar to the last one, the Rue Broca Pride, but that one, it was a little darker. This is a little bit lighter and also happier and fruitier. So it's a little bit fruitier than the other last one. Yeah, it's got some fruits in there. The fruits is like berries, some sort of berries, some sort of dark fruits, maybe cherry, not cherry. Yeah, maybe berry, like some blackberry, or not blueberry, blackberry. Yeah, maybe blackberry in here. So it's fruity, but it's quite dark. It's a big aromaticness, so I'm expecting lavender to be here. So it smells like lavender. it's quite musky, and it's quite woody as well. The base is woody, but the woods are quite a happy woods, like cedar probably most likely. So overall, for a first impression, first sniff, very very good. The last one, as I said, I loved it, and this one is in the same category, but it's not same juice basically. They're a little bit different, but they are same category, which is that aromatic, fruity, floral, woody, sweet, a little bit of fruitiness into the powdery, a little bit musky. So it is and spicy. So it's that category of perfumes. Yeah, it's quite masculine, and also it reminds me of some of the 80s and 90s perfumery. Which one in particular? The mind goes a little bit towards Paco Rabanne Black Excess, but is right now it's not like a copy of it 100%, but similar in terms of genre. Is very similar to it. It's like a Black Excess, which is been discontinued by the way, and it's very hard to find, and if you find it, it's quite expensive these days. So if you were looking for Paco Rabanne Black Excess, you can't find it, or you want some alternative to it, this is very very close to it. I can't give you percentage right now. Let me wear it, and then I'll let you know in the next video the longevity, the performance, the development, and the smell itself. But right now it reminds me of Black Excess by Paco Rabanne. Yeah, it reminds me of it. It's very very good. Black Excess, it was one of my favorite fragrances. I went at least through one bottle of it in 90s. It was especially for going out, it was very very good, almost clubbing. Yeah, it was like a clubbing fragrance. So this one is, you can use it for clubbing, you can use it for going out, for dates, special occasion and things like that. It's quite masculine, yes. It is quite sweet, yes, but it is quite on the strong side as well. So you can use it for outdoors, you can use it for clubbing and things like that. But for first impression, very very good. So the first take from it is woody, sweet, fruity, floral, aromatic, and a little bit of muskiness, a little bit of powderiness for first impression. Let you know in the next video the rest of the things, and if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances that are out of this world, they are super artistic, ultra long lasting, very unique, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links in the description as well. If you know, if you have it, if you know anything from this house, Rue Broca, that you think we should know about, put it in there as well. That would be very nice to people to read it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.